Hello everyone, welcome to Air Smart Labs, and we're going to be showing you how to install our SmartFlow spigots. These are 125mm SmartFlow spigots here into our SmartFlow ducting. So as you can see, this is a two-piece design made out of plastic, so do be careful with it. So when you get them in the box, you can just twist it and it'll come apart like this. We can see locking mechanism on both sides here, and they will actually lock into this section up in here. Notice these bits here, that's the orientation for how it will be installed. So this will be inside the duct, this will be outside the duct. So what we're going to do is cut a hole in this, place this on the inside, and then lock it down on each other. Okay, we'll take our hole saw. There we have our hole. Okay, now we'll be getting the first piece. We'll put it in like such. So there's our first piece installed. You can see the ribs around here. So what we'll be doing is then making sure this lines up just that side. Yep, so we're going to go on top like that. We're going to put our hand through here, and we're going to make note not to put any force on these sections here. We're going to be putting force from on top like that. So you can apply a bit of force, and we're going to go side to side until we start to hear some clicking, and that is locked. So I'm just going to go around this side to get more leverage on it. There we go. Once you hear that click, we are, and now we're just going to do the flick test. That's nice and tight. You can see I've got a bit of a crease here, so that's actually nice and tight, and that is installed. And there we have it.